Hello, welcome back to Halfass Garage. You guys wanted it. Well, you know, like probably 5 people that voted wanted it. We're going to do some half-ass flips or flops. We'll see. So, right here we got an 05 Subaru Outback base model. Got some heated seats and remote start. Perfect for New England. Perfect for the cold weather that's now upon us. And the empty propane tank that I'm coming upon. So, we got Zach here. Between ourselves and Blackall, who's behind the camera, we're going to go ahead and we have to do pads and rotors. Hopefully the calipers will free up nice and we can get those things moving again. If not, we'll have to do that later, but we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. And we have to do an oil pan, which sucks. So yeah, we have the engine hoist here, so we have to lift it up about 2 inches to be able to get to all the bolts, and then we slide it on out. We got parts here. And
go.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm probably going to be here to do camera things and for moral support for Zach here. So,
very much.
Without further ado,
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
alright, so first order of business, get underneath this sucker, and we're going to unbolt the motor mounts, and then chain it up and lift her up. Get the oil pan off first.
Perhaps I was talking when I should have been listening. Impossible.
Out as many as you can until you have to lift it. Get as many clam bolts up before you lift it as I can. Alright? I got like 3 more to go, and I'm going to have to start lifting the sucker up and put prepare that engine tank. Hold on a second, please. Hold on a second. Alright, bud, how we doing down here?
Alright, I think I can get one more bolt out of this pan before we just gotta get this hoist out and raise this bitch up a little bit.
Alright.
Yeah, that was the last one.
That was the last one that you could get without lifting the motor up?
Yep.
Alright.
Want me to give you a view?
Yeah.
Let me see. Alright, so, got all those ones here. Now it's just in the back in between that shield. All the way
Show us
around.
where the bolts you unbolted for the motor mounts came
Right
from.
over here. The motor mounts came from right there and right there. And yeah.
Should be able to just lift that up just
Filter.
a couple inches there.
Should be
2
able
inches that
to.
we need. Nothing. I mean, we got plenty of slack and a
Get
whole
in
bunch of
there.
stuff here, so
Yeah.
we look all right, right?
Should be good.
Look at that exhaust, though. That is so ridiculous.
It's so weird.
It's so ridiculous. All right. Stay tuned for the hoist.
Perhaps I was talking when I should have been listening. Impossible. Here we go.
that was
How we doing, bud?
well, I got 3 in so far.
What you need?
It just sucks to turn this thing by fucking hand.
You know that? Alright, so Zach's been underneath there the whole time. Been killing it. He actually killed it so good that all I have to do is get this other bolt out for this and put that back on, and it's the end of that. I gotta put oil in it and do brakes.
Yeah.
Alright, so slap that, what, 15, 20 minutes?
Maybe.
Just kidding.
Not that.
About that. Alright.
The slides aren't fucking shit yet.
Yeah, hopefully the slides and calipers are right, but yeah. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, bang. Alright, so we went ahead, we put oil in it, we started it, checked it. We're gonna check it on the floor afterwards, but right now we're gonna slap some fucking brakes on this thing real fucking quick. So we'll let the clock begin. Zach, we gotta clean the slides.
Yeah, we do.
This was a beautiful thing you thunked of.
I did something, yeah. We don't have a grinder wheel with a wire wheel attached to it, so I decided
I have a regular one.
Yeah, there's no wire wheel, so I was like, you know what, let's put this in the right. So I just pull the trigger and
Do it.
right
I want to see it. I want to see it.
I want to see it.
My favorite biceps. Oh, bum.
Hey, what happened? Oh.
Jesus.
Little comic relief. Oh,
I'm eating my candy. Whoa. Oh, I was trying to interrupt.
It's not exactly a wire wheel.
No, but he wouldn't be doing that with his fingers with the wire wheel.
I would. Totally would. You know how many times I've slipped up and smacked my knuckle on the wire wheel and just kept going with my day?
Unbelievable.
It's the only way to live life. Wow, it's got some sheen to it now.
Some Charlie to it?
I was gonna say, don't bring Charlie into it. Yeah, that's definitely clean enough to work like new. Yeah, so yeah, just gotta do that a couple more times and maybe put a fucking glove on.
Too late. Hi. Hey, bud. How we doing? Toy crunch? Break it right, toy crunch, close enough.
It's gonna be talk to Zico spec, which is not coming off unless you use a gun.
Fair enough. So yeah, oil pan in, oil topped off, pads and rotors in, slides cleaned up, slides working. We'll take it for a test ride tomorrow. And other than that, she needs some shocks and tires. Tires first, shocks later. Zach,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Oh, no, thank you.
The people thank you.
I'm sure they do.
I thank you. I want you to remember to comment, like, subscribe.
You gotta do that. You can't not.
Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you for coming in today.
Anytime.